Hello, in this lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, the answer in short, the short answer is that the universe was created from nothing, and that nothing is also called quantum fluctuations. And the answer to the second, I will return to that subject later, but the answer to the second question, who created nothing, is that nothing was never created because it was always existed. Actually, nothing that is quantum fluctuations is always existed. Okay, so now I will explain what is the quantum fluctuations. Quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a space, in a point in a space. So those changes in the amount of energy could create virtual particles, and that virtual particles, from that virtual particles you can create real particles, and from these real particles the matter was created, and that matter is actually our universe. Okay? Thank you very much.